Hello, good evening, friends. Here I am presenting the topic of my presentation, drug adulteration and drug evaluation. Drug adulteration is a part of analytical pharmacognosy. Adulteration is happening commonly in case of crude drugs. So it is necessary to check the type of adulteration, the conditions of adulteration, and further evaluation of drugs before processing or before converting them into dosage forms. So it is necessary to get introduction first, the adulteration practices. See, drug adulteration is nothing but is a practice of substituting original crude drug partially or wholly with other spurious substances which is either free from or inferior in chemical and therapeutic properties. Here adulteration is happening in case of lot of valuable drugs, or is a common practice which people are adopting to get the unnecessary profit, or it is a part of improper commerce or trade which leads to dangerous health condition for common people. So it is necessary to check the different conditions of adulteration. In simple terms, adulteration is nothing but debasement of an article. That means the original base has been ultimately damaged so that it leads to adulteration. See, the different conditions which leads to adulteration includes deterioration, number 1, then admixture, number 2, number 3, sophistication, number 4, substitution, number 5, inferiority, and 6 is spoilage. These are the different conditions which leads to adulteration. See, the deterioration is nothing but impairment in the quality of drug. Admixture is addition of one article to another due to ignorance or carelessness or by an accident. Then sophistication is the intentional or deliberate type of adulteration which people are commonly doing to get the profit. It is happening in case of lot of valuable crude drugs. Then next, substitution. In this case, when totally different substance is added in place of original drug which leads to substitute. That means the original drug which is resembling morphologically or chemically or biologically with the original drug that has been used for the purpose of substitution. Then inferiority is also one of the condition of adulteration which refers to any substandard drug. Then spoilage is happening due to attack of microorganisms, mainly fungi, and it leads to certain enzymatic changes, enzymatic attack, or certain chemical changes that leads to adulteration. So it is necessary to check the type of adulteration first. Now further we will see the different types of adulteration. Thank you very much.